Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cooking with Sab. I hope you're having a wonderful day today wherever you are. The weather here in California is beautiful. I am celebrating my milestone to 150 subscribers. Thank you everyone for subscribing. If you're new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. I am taking a stroll in my backyard. The weather is beautiful and I wanted to show you guys some of my plants before we get cooking. Hi baby. Hi. So we planted our avocado tree about 2 years ago, and we have about 18 to 20 avocados growing, and look at how huge they are. Then we have a pomegranate tree here. We have a lemon tree, a lime tree. My fig tree is over there. It grew a lot of figs this year. They were so sweet and so delicious. So I was excited for that, but now they've all fallen off. Actually, there's still a few. All right, let's get started on these healthy but not so healthy turkey sliders. I am going to be hiding in these vegetables in my turkey. I have 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 large tomato, and 5 to 6 scallions. Feel free to add more vegetables, or you don't have to add any at all. Either way, this came out amazing and I hope you do give this a try. Alright, for the turkey sliders, you obviously need ground turkey. I'm using 85/15 fat, and this is just 1 pound of turkey, and each serving size has 10 grams of protein, which is amazing. And for the spices I'm adding in 1 teaspoon olive oil or oil of your choice, and I'm just gonna cook it down until it browns a little. And then once we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, a dash of red pepper, and a dash of cumin. You can add more or less spices to your choice. I did this and the spice level was perfect, but feel free to add in more or less to your liking because everyone's taste buds are different. Once you've combined everything, go ahead and add in all the vegetables and cook it down until the spinach, tomatoes, and the green onions have wilted down, and you will see that it hides in the turkey beautifully, and nobody can tell that you are hiding vegetables in your sliders. So this is a win-win for you and for your guests or whoever you're making this for. Don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying the recipe so far. Okay. So the bread I'm using are these honey wheat rolls by King Hawaiian. So I know they have the white bread. You can also use that if you'd like. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I'm not gonna use all of it. So I think I'm gonna use 8. I'm gonna make 4 with a lot of cheese and 4 with no cheese. So that way people have options. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a knife and I'm just gonna cut right down the middle. So, and please be careful with this step. Ooh, that fell apart. That's okay. That's okay. Still looks good. Smells good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one now. Hopefully this one doesn't fall apart. Alright, perfect. Yes. Yes, yes. Alright, I think I'm gonna use this one for the cheesy, easy breezy cover girl. And I've got my ground turkey. This actually came out amazing. I put the spinach, the green onions, and the tomatoes, and all the spices. It came out really amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pour it right on top. We're just gonna pack it right onto there. And if you have leftovers, you can totally make tacos tomorrow. You can make burritos. You can put it in a salad. You can eat it in a lettuce wrap. Yeah, there's so many things you could do. All right. We've got a lot of fallen pieces. So I'm just gonna try to pack it on there. Make it nice. Looks good. Looking good. Let me just try a little bit. That is so good. So we are using cheese, and we are going to be using lots of it. Just pile it real high. Comment down below how much you love cheese. I love cheese. How good. Alright, now we're just gonna layer our little buns right on top, so that way once they come out of the oven, we can just pull it apart. So this is the no cheese side, and this is the cheese side. You can even butter your bread, put some garlic and some dried parsley. That'll come out really good too if you want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven, just enough to warm it up, so for about 5 to 6 minutes. I took it out of the oven after 7 minutes. Look at that cheese pull. How good does that look? Like this video if you're loving that cheese pull. That is the end of my turkey sliders. These are high in protein. It's juicy. It is delicious. I'm gonna give it a taste test. I only tried the meat portion. Wow. This is good. It's my first time making these, and this is good. There's things I would do different, and there's things that I wouldn't do different. And the great thing about this recipe is that you can change it up as much as you'd like. It's super easy. It's really versatile. It's really easy to make. This took me about like 30 minutes, maybe, in total prep time. 30 minutes in total prep time if I wasn't filming. Filming, it took me like 2 hours, but that's the reality of filming. So, nice. I love it. Kids would love this. Your parents will love this. Your date will love this. You can make this for family parties and stick a little toothpick in there. This is amazing, and it's so healthy. It's better than beef. Turkey is high in protein. I hope you give this a try. Let me know in the comment section what you think and what you'd add into this and how you'd make it differently. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for future notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate all of the love, all of my subscribers, and all of the people watching. Wow, so good.